Hello everybody, Joel here. So I've got this 2005 Ford F-150 that I just picked up the other day, and there's a few things I'd like to do with it. It was pretty dirty and a lot of things were left in it. So one thing I've noticed is the tailgate is a little bit tough to open up, so I'd like to get this oiled up, the handle and the latch. So I'm going to take this panel off on the tailgate and I'll get in there and I'll do some oiling and whatnot. But the back end was left kind of a mess. I'm a little bummed there is not a bed liner in here, but I'm going to get a spray-on bed liner and I'll just do that myself. I think I can get one online, pretty reasonable kit for that. But I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning this out. I do like this extra weight. I'm in Minnesota and these sandbags really help a lot for the traction in the wintertime. But obviously this one is ripping and I can just see this becoming a mess back here also. So I'm going to do something a little bit different with that. But I'll go ahead and I'll get started cleaning this thing out and then see what we end up with. Try some of this dry lube, dirt and dust resistant, see how that works. Very nice, very simple, about 8 screws to take out, then you can get in there. I probably put in a little bit more lube spray than I needed to put in, but hey, when a little is good, a lot is better, right? So there's probably some dripping down inside there, but I'm fine with that. Works great. We'll keep on going. I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but I got this front swept out. And in the corners where all the leaves and stuff, where that never will dry out, there's a bit of rust. There's a rust hole down through there. And over here, also rusted right through. So, before I do any type of liner, I suppose I'll have to patch those up. And get this all scrubbed out too. I just did a rough clean out. But I'm a little bummed I'll have to patch up that rust. Cut that out and weld in some new plate. But par for the course.